Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and this time it is Asos. And this is the Sellout October Beauty Box. Now this sold out super fast, within 2 to 3 hours, I think it was. I've never known of an Asos beauty box to sell out so fast. Yes, within a day or two, but not within a couple of hours. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside and also entering a giveaway to win one, then carry on watching. Now Asos started doing monthly beauty boxes for around 2 years. It could actually be coming up to 3 years. A long time anyway. And it's not a subscription. They just release a box once a month and you can see exactly what's inside the box. They list it all, plus they show you photos. The cost of the box is £12 unless they do a collaboration box, which is every couple of months. And in the past we've had collaborations with Makeup Revolution, with Clinique, with Bobbi Brown, with Pixie, and I predicted that we were going to receive the last special edition one, and I think that we might get one December. Possibly. Obviously I don't work for Asos, so I haven't got a clue. It's just because I've been receiving these boxes for a long time, I sort of have an idea of like when they do these special boxes, but they cost between £15 and £18. This box is available internationally, but there are some restrictions. So down in my description I'll add a link where you can click on to see what countries they do send it out to, as well as all information related to the giveaway as well. So underneath this video you'll see show more. If you click that or a downward arrow, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So they bring out these boxes around the 1st of every month. There's no particular time or day, but it's usually around the 1st of every month. As soon as I find out that they've released a box, I buy one for myself, and then I post links everywhere. I post a link on my Facebook page, my Twitter page, and also my Instagram page, which are all Diaryofabeautygeek. And also I've started doing it over the last couple of months. I've started adding it on my YouTube community tab. I always put it there now, mainly because they sell out super fast, and I could receive my box and do a video and yeah, it's all sold out. So, which I know can be annoying, but I'm going to continue to do these uploads because I know I have lots of comments of people that have never heard of Asos doing beauty boxes before. So they've come on and seen my video and then they're obviously in the know. So yeah, so I'm going to continue doing them whether they're sold out or not, but hopefully not. And as soon as I get the boxes, I'll try and do them as quick as possible. Now I pay, I think it's £9.99 or £9.95, and that entitles me to free next day delivery. Otherwise shipping is £3 unless you spend over £25 or £30. I should remember this now. I'll put the information in the description anyway. But yeah, so the reason I have got 2 this month, which has come as a surprise, Asos sent me one for free as a gift. They have sent me items in the past. They've sent me an advent calendar and this gorgeous Pixie skincare and makeup sets. So yeah, it came out of the blue, and I'm really grateful for them to sending it out to me. Really appreciate it. Just the fact that Asos are sending me PR, it's just, yeah, it blows my mind. But anyway, so I have got 2 of these boxes now, and because it sold out super fast, I am going to put one up for a giveaway. So if you're interested in winning a box for yourself which contains a full-size Oliplex hair product, then carry on watching. So I open it up and show you what's inside. I've got a little note from Asos here, and it says, Claire, we hope you love our latest face and body box for just £12. It has all you need to give your locks some proper TLC, including a full-size Oliplex number 6 with love, Asos. And then inside every box we get a little card here, and it gives you a little bit of information about the product. So I'll refer to this as we go along. I'll just give you a quick sneak peek first. Ooh, you might not be able to see everything there. There you go. So the theme for this month is your ultimate hair care routine. When was the last time you really gave your hair some attention, and not just a quick shampoo and condition? We're talking some proper TLC, working from your scalp down to your ends. Well, if it's been a while, the latest Asos Face and Body Box has just what you need to look after those precious locks, from shampoo and conditioner to nourishing oils and hydrating treatments. So first up in the box, you've got a pre-shampoo treatment. This is Philip Kingsley Heroes Elasticizer, which boasts bounce while strengthening your hair all in one go. And we've got a 40ml sachet there. Next, a full-size scalp scrub, and this is from the Hair Boss to cleanse and look after your scalp and skin, because healthy roots equals healthy hair. There's 150ml there. I'm gonna have to have a sniff. Have to have a sniff. Smells, what's the smell of ginger? I'm not sure. A pre-shampoo scrub to remove buildup from the scalp and hairline, helps to reduce dandruff, stimulates hair follicles and helps to improve scalp health. So there's that. Next up, there's Maintain's Mini Shampoo and Conditioner, which will make your hair squeaky clean and help eliminate impurities too. And these are 60 mils. An exclusive original highly concentrated formula with a unique action that helps to maintain and achieve a longer, healthier looking mane and tail. So is that. Next we've got a full-size Oliplex number 6 Bond Smoother, a high-tech leave-in cream that repairs and strengthens your hair. PS it's worth £26 and there's 100 mils here. Now on my Facebook page, this had lots and lots of mentions. Everyone was really excited about this. I've never tried anything from this range before. So yeah, I was really excited, really excited. It says here, apply a very small amount to damp or dry hair, concentrating product on your mid-length to ends, comb through and style as desired. It's a leave-in reparative styling cream, reduces frizz, nourishes and protects. And then lastly, we've got an invisible hair oil by Bumble and Bumble. It says, giving parched hair instant hydration and shine. This one's a mini miracle worker. Just take it out. There's 15 mils there. It says this luxe treatment deeply moisturizes parched strands thanks to a concentrated dose of our 6 oil blend. Boosted with omega rich castor oil, hair is left nourished and smooth. Does it say how you're supposed to use it? Yeah, place tube in warm water for 1 minute, apply to dry hair, leave on for 1 to 2 minutes, rinse with your fave BB shampoo and conditioner, use once weekly, colour safe. So there's that. So these are all the products inside this month's Asos Beauty Box. We've got a mane and tail shampoo and conditioner. We've got a Philip Kingsley and elasticizer pre-shampoo treatment. We've got a Hair Boss scalp and hairline scrub. We've got an Oliplex number 6 Bond Smoother. And lastly, we've got a Bumble and Bumble hot oil concentrate. I do think it is a fab box. I do really like the box and I'm so glad that I managed to get it. So if you're interested in receiving one of these boxes for yourself, I'm going to be running this for a month. So when I unbox my November Asos Beauty Box, then I'll announce the winner in that video. So yeah, so that's all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like this video, click the notification bell and comment down in the comments your favourite hair care product, and also put a form of communicating with you. So either your personal email or your Instagram name, etc. So then I can contact you easily if you are the winner. I will be choosing a winner using a random comment picker, and yeah, as I said, the winner will be announced in my next video. If you're under the age of 18, please make sure that you have your parents' or carers' consent. So I think that's it as far as the rules are. I will be writing it down in my description if you want to have a look there. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.